How to upload picture on Picsart for a project. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can upload your pictures on Picsart for a project. For that, you'll have to open any browser and at the search bar type Picsart.com, the official website of the Picsart. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the home page, click on that upload button at the right side next to new project. Once you have selected the photo, you will be taken to the editing space where you can edit it for your project. If you prefer to use the application instead, open the Picsart application and on the home page at the left top you will see start editing option. Click on it, click on upload to select the photo you want to upload. Your photo will be uploaded. Now you can edit and customize it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.